Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Seacoast House of Cars, we have the 2014 BMW 335 Xi with the 6-speed manual transmission. Very, very hard car to find, especially nowadays. Very, very fun. Just stepped out of an E36 325i. That was a 5-speed, so it's kind of crazy to jump almost 20 years, because that was a 95, this is a 14, so jump 20 years in 3 Series development to get here. All right, nice 6-speed BMW shifters, especially in this era and a little before, have always been pretty darn good. Oh, these things are a pain in the butt. I wish there was a sync button. This one has the M Sport steering wheel, obviously the M shifter. Oh, it's just refreshing. I love this gen of 3 Series. It's kind of what I not grew up with, but when I got my license, this was the gen that was around, and so I was like, man. Oh, wouldn't it be so cool to get one of these as a first car? Yeah, come on. I think we all dream a little bit. Although nowadays, kids are definitely getting these 3 Series as their first car because they're everywhere on every used car lot. But not a stick shift 335. Those are hard to come by. I will say they are way more common than later ones, because I believe 2018 was the last year of the manual in the normal 3 Series. And you can't get a M340i now with a manual. You can get an M3 with a manual, but not for much longer. The platform dynamics are just so good. Oh, that was a big pothole. We have 2 seasons here. Well, a couple different seasons. We have winter, which is road salt season, pothole season, and about 1 month of nice driving with roads being finished before winter starts again. So that's New England. What a fun car. Plus. Oh, you're a torque monster. So linear. Oh, the build in power is just so nice and refreshing. Oh, what a great engine this is. And yeah, some of these paddle shifted cars, like the M340, it's so fun to work through the 8-speed automatic now, but it's not as fun as that. And this has just the right amount of power too. It's quick enough to have a lot of fun, but not completely overwhelm you where you can't enjoy it. Oh, heel toe's good. Oh, the pedals are, man. This is back when BMW didn't have to slap a bunch of M badges on a car so you thought it was fun. This is just when they were good. I love the fact it doesn't have the insane screens. It does have Harman Kardon, which is nice. I mean, it's got the features you want without being completely overbearing, and it's tough to find nowadays because they don't make stuff anymore like this. Well, seeing I'm sitting in traffic and it's going to be this way for a while, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See y'all in the next one.